So hello students, welcome back to Saurabh's classes. So in this video I am going to discuss the solution of question number 6, which says that fn be a sequence of function defined as follows, that fnx is equal to x to the power n cos 2n pi x, where x belongs to close minus 1 1. So I am writing this sequence of function if nx is equal to x to the power n cos 2n pi x, where x belongs to minus 1 1. Okay, then limit n tends to infinity fnx exists if and only if x belongs to the interval. So we need to find out the interval for which this limit exists. Okay, now first of all, when x equal to 1, when x equal to 1, then limit, let's see, limit n tends to infinity fn1 exists or not. So that will be equal to limit n tends to infinity 1 to the power n cos 2n pi x into 1. So that will be equal to limit n tends to infinity 1 to the power n is 1 into cos 2n pi. The value of cos 2n pi, you know that cos is a periodic function of period 2 pi and cos 0 is equal to 1. So this value is equal to 1. So limit n tends to infinity 1. So this limit is equal to 1. So when x is equal to 1, this limit is equal to 1, and I can say that when x equal to 1, this limit do exist, right? Now let us see when 0 minus 1 less x less 1, this limit exists or not. So I am choosing x minus 1 less x less 1, or indirectly I have choosing mod x less than 1. So limit n tends to infinity fnx, so n tends to infinity fnx, which is equal to limit n tends to infinity x to the power n into cos 2n pi x, right students? Now it is known that mod x is less than 1. So we know that if mod x is less than 1, limit n tends to infinity x to the power n is equal to 0. So this limit is equal to 0, and cos x is a bounded quantity, so 0 into bounded quantity is equal to 0. So when this limit is equal to 0, are you getting my point? What I am saying, you know that when mod r less than 1, limit n tends to infinity r to the power n is equal to 0, right? Here mod x less than 1, so this limit is equal to 0, and this quantity is bounded quantity, so 0 into this bounded quantity is equal to 0, right? So this limit is equal to 0, right? So when minus 1 less x less 1, so this limit again do exist. Now let us find when x equal to minus 1, this limit exists or not, when x is equal to minus 1. So limit n tends to infinity fn of minus 1, so which is equal to limit n tends to infinity minus 1 to the power n cos minus 2n pi, which is equal to limit n tends to infinity minus 1 to the power n is equal to minus 1 to the, I am keeping this as it is, so, and this limit cos minus 2n pi is equal to 1 again. So which is equal to limit n tends to infinity minus 1 to the power n. We know that this limit does not exist, and hence I can say that this limit does not exist. Does not exist. So limit n tends to infinity fnx exists whenever x belongs to minus 1 open 1 closed, right? So whenever x belongs to minus 1 open 1 closed, let us see the options. Minus 1 open 1 closed, you can see that this is our option D, and hence I can say that option D is our correct option, right students? So just a second, yeah. So limit n tends to infinity f n x is if and only if x belongs to -1 open 1 closed. That's all about this question. So in this video we have solved the question number 6. In the next video we are going to solve the question number 7. So students, so thank you so much.